Hi guys, this is Saheli, your girl, and Happy New Year to every one of you. I wish that this year goes like fine filament in your life and may bring you the most happiest and most musical joy that you have worth it in 2020. Also, I'll bring to you the first 5 kickstarting book of 2021 which you should read in order to enhance your vocabulary, in order to make your life a bit more brighter and happier with each warming smile. So let's get started without any further ado. My first recommended book will be Preeti Shenoy's The Rule Breakers. This book is about Veda and Vidya. Veda and Vidya are sisters, and Veda is forced to marry a person. She generally lives in a mountain, but she's forced to marry and move to Pune, the city. And obviously, when a girl moves from a smaller city to a higher city, there are many adjustments which are to be made by that girl. And certainly, the terrificness of this book is always the motto of this book, that whether a Veda will be able to bring the changes in her life either by following the rules or by breaking them. So by reading this book has a very interesting plot twist. It also brings out the helpness and the happiness that charity brings you with. So yeah, go for it. This is my first recommended book. My second recommended book will be a collection of short stories by Ruskin Bond. This is a book of more than 650 pages, and I have completed reading this book within a single month. So yeah, this book has many center of attractions involved within it. So this book has many short stories which include Time Stops at Shamli, Untouchable, The Coral Tree, The Daffodil Case, The Eyes Have It, The Night Train at Deoli, The Photograph, The Thief, The Widow, etc. etc. So, Ruskin Bond is one of my favorite writers of all time, and this book brings out all the ascetic tales that Ruskin Bond brings out with it. Also, this book gives you the days when Ruskin Bond was of a young age. He also describes a love story of its own, which is given at the last, A Love of Long Ago. I don't know if you can see this or not, A Love of Long Ago. So yeah, this book is a must recommended for 2021 for kickstarting it. My third recommended book will be Preeti Shenoy's When Love Came Calling. This book is about Pooja and Arush. Arush lives in UK and Pooja lives in India. So being an Indian parents are always self-centered and they want their child to be very namely and make them popular. Obviously, it's every Indian parent's dream to, make their child the futuristic, ambitious. But Pooja is not like that. She wants to live her life in her own way and in her own manner. Because of which she has to face many conflicts with her mother. And then her mother sends her to a charity house, which mainly involves of students. And Pooja there comes across with Arush, who is 20 years old, who is studious, careful, shy. He's born and raised in Britain. But he has some Indian touch and culture within it. So there develops some love between Pooja and Arush. And at the end of the story, I don't want to bring any mood spoilers, but at the end of the story, there comes a beautiful twist. A very sweet ending of this love story. This is a young adult fiction. I am 14. I read it this year itself because it's 2020 release. So yeah, go kickstart your 2021 with When Love Came Calling by Preeti Shenoy ma'am. Preeti Shenoy ma'am is always one of my favorite writers. She writes so eloquently. Her language is so easy to understand. It's so, you don't need a dictionary while reading her book. So yeah, that's the main reason why I love her books so much, because her books itself gives us a meaning to it. You don't need to find an external meaning. You don't need to find with the dictionary or any virtual media to make out the pronunciations or the meaning of these words. So yeah, go for it. My fourth recommended book will be Something I Never Told You by Shravya Bhinder. I don't know if you can see this. It's written here based on a true love story. So, Shravya Bhinder writes very well. I don't know if it's her debut novel or not. She lives in Melbourne in her family in a house with barren backyard and a lifetime collection of books. So, what I have found from this novel is that the two main protagonists are Ronnie and Adira. I don't know how to describe this book. I am just reading the blurb here. When in love, you tend to take each other for granted, and sometimes that can cost you a lifetime of togetherness. Ronnie knew that his first crush was way out of his league, and yet he pursued and wooed Adira, shyly and from a distance in the beginning, and more persuasively later. He couldn't believe it when the beautiful Adira actually began to reciprocate, falling in love with him for his simplicity and honesty. Slowly, as they got close and comfortable with each other, life took on another hue. From truly magical, it became routine. There were fights and then making up sessions, a clash of egos and doubts. Things began to change for the worst. Now, it's too late. Ronnie and Adira will probably never find the forever after. The plot twists in these books are worth bliss, worth precious. They are such, you can feel the emotions when you read the plot twists. Especially the last few chapters of this book are so greatly described. I can express it within words. It's like beyond my words to express. So yeah, go for it. This is my fourth recommended book for 2021 to kickstart of your year. So go for it, girls and boys. My fifth and last recommended book. So I have a habit of always keeping the masterpiece of the last. So if you're watching the video till now, do like and share. All the books that I'll be speaking of here, the links of Flipkart will be given in the description below. So yeah, go check out them and have them if you want. This is my first video. I'm new to YouTube, so please feel free to modify and rectify me if you think I have done anything wrong or I have spoken anything which is not my place to speak. So yeah, feel free to scold me all because I am just 15. Last but not the least, Roses Are Blood Red by Nabaneel Chakraborty. So Nabaneel Chakraborty is one of the best thriller writers ever found in India. I hardly find Indian writers so very thrilling and so very conceptual. I cannot explain the story in my words. It will always remain my forever favorite novel. It will always remain in my classic bookshelf collection. Also, I want to say that this book is about Arisha Shergill and Vanav Thakur. So there comes a very unpredictable ending of the story. I don't know if you have read Nabaneel sir's books or not, but his books are the best masterpieces you will ever get in Indian culture and Indian history. So the story goes like this, that it is flowing in a certain direction and it just abruptly turns around and goes like this. So yeah, his books are very, very unpredictable. You cannot predict what is going to happen at the last. The mystery keeps on unfolding, and at last you'll find that there are many hints given by the author. So yeah. So this was my 5 recommended book to start your 2021. Also, I would like to say that if you find this video useful and if you want to check out the amazing books, all the books are below 500 except the Ruskin Bond collection of short stories book. So all the books description links will be all the book links will be given in the description box below. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Sahili. I am taking your leave for today. And till next video, bye bye. Keep sharing and spreading love. And thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Thank you.